Students, we solved activity from practice set 7.2. Now let us solve question number 1. The radii of two circular ends of frustum shaped bucket are 14 cm and 7 cm. Height of the bucket is 30 cm. How many liters of water it can hold? And here 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube given. Okay, the bucket is the example of frustum. Okay, so let us solve this example. Practice set 7.2. Practice set 7.2, question number 1. Let us write dimensions given. Radii of circular ends given 14 cm and 7 cm. So as we saw in the formula, R1 is greater than R2. That means this greater radius we have to assume as R1 and the smaller radius R2. So R1 is equal to 14 cm, R2 equal to 7 cm. Height of the bucket is given 30 cm. So H is equal to 30 cm. So we have to find out how many liters of water it can hold. So inside that bucket, how much water it can hold? The question is that. So this question is related to volume of frustum. Okay. So here write volume of bucket. Volume of bucket is equal to volume of frustum. Okay, and that day we studied the formula for volume of frustum. Volume of frustum is equal to 1/3 pi h into bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So we will use that formula here. The formula is 1/3 pi h into bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 plus R1 into R2. Now substitute values. 1/3 value of pi is equal to 22/7. H is equal to 30. R1 equal to 14. So 14 square plus 7 square plus 14 into 7. 1/3 into 22/7 into 30 into, now 14 square is equal to 196. 7 square is equal to 49. Now 14 sevens are 7 fours are 28, carry 2, 7 ones are 7 plus 2, 9, 14 sevens are 98. 1/3 into 22/7 into 30 into bracket. Now we have to add this. So let us add unit place digit first. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 6. 17 plus 6, 23. Carry 2. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. Carry 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Now this we can simplify. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30, 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, 34 minus 28, 63, 7 9s are 63. Okay, so here we have 22 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 49. Now here we have to multiply 22 into 49. So you can do the rough multiplication. 49 multiplied by 22. 2 9s are 18. Carry 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 9s are 18. Carry 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 8 17 10. 1078. 1078 and plus this 0. So this is the volume of the bucket. But we have to find out answer in liter. And here we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So how much volume we got? 1780 centimeter cube. Therefore 1780 centimeter cube is equal to 10780 divided by 1000. So the denominator is 1000. So we have to give decimal point after leaving 3 digits. So here decimal point will come. 10.78 liter. So this is the answer. So this answer we have to write in statement. The question is, how many liters of water it can hold? It means bucket. So write the answer. Bucket can hold. Therefore, bucket can hold 10.78 liters of water. So this is the answer. Understood how to apply formula for frustum. Then question number 2 is, the radii of ends of frustum are 14 cm and 6 cm. That means this one is R1, this two is R2, and height h is given 6 cm. So these three answers you have to find out. Simply apply the formula and find out the answer. So this is for homework. Followed? Students, now we will move for the formula related to circle. Before going for that formula, let us do one activity here. Complete the following table with the help of figure 7.24. So this figure is given. Student, this question came in board exam, March 2020 board exam. This question came for 2 marks for activity based question. Okay, so in this figure you can see that there are 2 arcs. The circle is divided among 2 arcs. One arc is arc AXB and the second arc is arc AYB. Okay, so this arc AYB is minor arc. Okay, so here we have to write its measure of the arc. So as we studied the definition of measure of minor arc in circle lesson, measure of minor arc is equal to measure of its corresponding central angle. So here the measure of this central angle is 100 degree. So measure of this minor arc AXB is also 100 degree. So here you have to write measure 100 degree. Okay. Then arc AYB. Arc AYB. The type of this arc is major arc. Type of the arc is major arc. Then measure of this arc we have to find out. As we know that the measure of this full circle is 360 degree. And this circle is divided among two arcs, arc AXB and arc AYB. And addition of these two arcs is 360 degree. So measure of one of these arc is 100 degree. So the measure of this remaining arc AYB is 360 minus 100. So 360 minus 100 is equal to 260 degree. Okay, so student, you have to draw this figure in your notebook and you have to draw this table and write this like an activity type. So this you have to do in your notebook. Followed?